get the idea of taking a passion and converting it into a circuit? Say yes! Yes! If you're lying, say no. Good, everyone said yes. Now, I'd like you to look across the room. Search with your eyes. Find that person with whom there is a spark, a something special. And go walk over to them right now, because we're going to do exercises in pairs. Jump up, find a pair. You can either look with the person next to you or someone across the room.
Better hurry up, guys. Come on. Good stuff. Doing good. Well, hurry up. Move around.
Oh, yes!
Yes. You did well.
Okay, here's how the exercise goes. Sit down, please sit down. It's going to be we're going to work with our pieces of paper. So you don't need to be standing up, although I love standing up. What I'd like you to do is this. In pairs, and those who worked with me before, by the way, has anyone who worked with me before, is anyone in like working with each other? Because I'd like to be an ambassadors here. So anyone who's worked with me before, don't work together. Work with somebody else because you know how to work. Here is what I would like you to do. I would like you to take the other person's sheet. So in this case, I'm going to take this gentleman's sheet of mine. So if I was in pairs with, sorry, what's your name? Steve. Wow, that's it. If I was in a pair with Steve, I would take his sheet. I am holding his sheet. I would take a pen and I would start working with him to create circuits out of his passions. Does this make sense? So for example, he says here, shooting. Okay? So straight away I start saying shooting. That's interesting. There's a circuit there. Professional assassin. And then I write it down. I write down professional assassin. And then I write down, is there a niece associated? He says, either Democrats or Republicans. Which one do you want?
No.
So all I need to do is start. Now if I run out of room, just use a new piece of paper. My job is to bring out Steve's circus. Does that sound fair? There is one guiding principle here, thank you Steve. Here is the guiding principle as you pull the circuits out of him. You're asking him for the circuits and you're creating them too. Here is the one most important thing. The most important thing is that you must be entirely non-judgmental. So if he actually does say professional assassin, you smile and say, that sounds interesting, tell me more. It's really important, and the reason that this is so important, you will know, because if you guys have ever done any brainstorming before, who has done some brainstorming, say aye? You know when there's that one person in the room who's stuck in their left brain, you come up with this killer great idea, professional assassin, and they say, well, that's illegal. You're going to get thrown in jail. And then it just shuts you down. You'll get caught, then you'll get thrown in jail. So you get shut down by that left brain thinking. This is not the time to worry about how. How is going to show up a little bit later. Now is just about the what. What could the circuits be if I could do anything? Non-judgmental, right brain, limitless thinking. You have 4 minutes and then I will swap you around. Take your passions and make them into circuits. Go!
Go. Everybody got them? All right. Come on in. All right. Wow. All right.
Oh, she doesn't live here? She lives in Washington.
How are we doing, my friend?
Doing awesome, man. Fun.
I thought I would do something different.
Sounds fine with me. We're having fun, my gosh. That's why they love us here, I guess.
I would love to get a couple of those type of things.
Book 10 seconds. So you get a little snip, 10-minute segments of it. Yeah, like a radio.
roughly 8:15.
Yes.
A little bit
I can't think of the name of the place right now, but it's in Nevada, so it's not Utah. Yes. I'm finding my passions.
Yeah, yeah.
George helping me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do love
Swap around.
Swap around. Swap around. 4 minutes left.
That's it. Swap.
Nice with the whistling.
Do you like that? So you enjoying this? Oh, sorry to hear that. Okay.
Are you passionate about this? I don't think I leave
Now I get to follow you around as you do this.
Oh yeah, most people are good here. I'm looking for, when I walk around, I've usually asked anyone to put up their hand who needs a hand. I forgot to do that.
Yeah.
But I'm looking for anyone who looks blocked. So anyone who's either not engaged or who is looking unhappy.
Yeah.
Because if you're talking about your passions and you're unhappy, something's wrong.
Something's wrong.
So but the thing about this room is if you look around, you'll see people in one of two states, either happy or focused. Both good.
Yep.
Angry and or pummeling someone else with your fists, that's bad.